Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the gadgets and accessories that make life easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Matwsec Vinyl Record Cleaning Brush, a tool designed to keep your vinyl collection in pristine condition. If you're a vinyl enthusiast, you know that dust, dirt, and static can wreak havoc on your records and the sound quality. The Matwsec Vinyl Record Brush addresses these issues with its fine fiber bristles. Engineered to lift dust and impurities gently without scratching or damaging the grooves of your records. The bristles are soft yet effective, ensuring that every spin of your favorite album sounds as clean and crisp as intended. One standout feature of this brush is its wooden handle. Crafted for durability, the handle not only feels sturdy in your hand but also provides a comfortable grip for precise control during cleaning. This makes it easy to glide the brush across the surface of your records without applying too much pressure, which is critical for maintaining the longevity of both your vinyl and your stylus. Versatility is another strength of the Matwsec brush. While its primary purpose is cleaning LPs and CDs, it can also handle other delicate items, such as camera lenses, computer screens, and office equipment. This multi-functionality makes it a handy tool to have around the house, allowing you to tackle dust and static in multiple areas with a single device. The design of the brush combines functionality with aesthetics. Its sleek, compact form allows for easy storage and portability, so you can maintain your records at home or on the go. The wooden handle adds a touch of sophistication, giving it a classic, elegant appearance that complements any audio setup. Using the Matwsec brush is straightforward. Simply hold the record securely. Run the brush along the grooves, and let the fine fibers capture dust and reduce static. It's gentle enough for daily use yet effective in keeping your collection in top condition, enhancing the listening experience and preserving the life of your records. In terms of construction, the Matwsec brush is built to last. The materials and design ensure that it can withstand repeated use without losing effectiveness. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and fits comfortably in your hand, making your cleaning routine not just efficient but also enjoyable. So, if you value high-quality sound and want to extend the life of your vinyl collection, the Matwsec Vinyl Record Cleaning Brush is a reliable and stylish choice. It's a simple, elegant solution that every audiophile should consider for their setup. That wraps up our look at this brush here on Product Critique. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and insights into the products that matter most.